boys and girls, welcome back to our phonics videos for today. Yesterday you should have learned about the letter S, and today we are going to be learning about a new sound, okay? Before we get started though, we've got to do our three-part drill. So remember, when you say these, you're saying the letter sound, the picture, and then what the letter is. Ready? Moon, M. I'm going to pause because I want you to say it by yourself, and then you're going to check and see if it was what Miss Gowan said. Octopus, O. Jam, J. Umbrella, U. Itch, I. Apple, A. Dog, D. Leaf, L. Gumball, G. Pizza, P. Turtle, T. Cookie, C. Nest, N. Rock, R. Hand, H. And remember, the one that we learned yesterday is soap, S. Very good job with that, okay? Now we are going to practice blending these words. So let me scoot this back, and I'm going to get my blending board set up. I actually need to grab my S. Woo! Oh, fell. Don't mind me. All right, so we're adding S for soap. All righty, so let's see. Here's our blending board. All righty. Listen to me first, okay? Huss. Now I'm going to let you pause and let you try. Russ. Ooh, that was backwards. Ruck. Rick. Nick. Knit. Pit. Pat. Pag. jag, jowl, jaw, maul, mod. Very good job blending those words, okay? All right, we are going to move on to our vowel intensive, so make sure you locate your vowel sticks. We need vowel sticks I, O, U, and A, okay? Today when we're doing our vowel sticks, we are looking for the vowel sound that is in the middle of my word, okay? So if you need to pause the video to locate your vowel sticks, that's totally fine. Alrighty. The first word is bat. Bat. You should have held up your A for a. The next word is sit. Sit. That should be your I. The next word is hut. Hut. That should be your U. The next word is dog. Dog. That should be your O. The next word is got. Got. That's your O again. Rat. Rat. That should be your A. Sun. Sun. That should be your U. And the last one is tin, like a tin roof. And that would be your I. Very good job with those vowel intensives. All right, we are moving right along into learning our new letter sound, okay? This sound is special because it is two letters that go together to make one sound. And dun, da, da, we have a CH that makes the ch sound as in chin. Everybody touch your chin. That is your chin. When you hear the ch sound, you make a C and an H. If you look closely, our lowercase c is always below our belt line, and our lowercase h always touch all three. So it touches that hat line, that shoe line, and the belt line. So we have already learned how to write letters C and H. So you should have those down packed. And now all you're doing with this letter is putting them together. You should pause this video right now, go to your handwriting tablet, and I want to see 5 CHs. So you would do CH, finger space, CH, finger space, and do that 5 times because CH makes the ch sound as in chin. Okay? One thing to note about CH is that we call this a digraph. All right, everybody say digraph. Di means two, hence the two letters that we see. And they are written together, which means graph. So that's how we get a digraph. It's two letters that are written together, but it makes one sound. Okay? So when thinking about this, you are always putting CH together anytime you hear the ch sound. Like in the word chip, chump, chin, chat. Okay? Go ahead and get your whiteboard out, your marker and your eraser, and we're going to practice writing some of these ch words. Okay? Remember, when we write our words, we pound it, tap it, write it. Alrighty. The first word is chip. Ready? Chip. Ch. It. P. Chip. So we hear 3 sounds, but we know that this first ch makes 2 letters. So go ahead and write your C and your H. What makes the I sound? I, very good. What makes the P sound? P, very good. So look and check mine to check yours. Let's sound it out. Ch, I, P, chip. Remember, even though there is 4 letters in the word chip, you only hear 3 sounds because this CH says ch. Digraph, 2 letters written together to make 1 sound. It's crazy. All right. Next one. Chin. 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 Ch. I. N. Chin. What makes the ch sound? CH. Very good. What makes the I sound? I. And what makes the N sound? N. All right, check your work. Let's see. Ch. I. N. Chin. Remember, even though it's 4 letters, you only hear 3 sounds because ch is spelled with a C and an H. All right, let's try chat. Ready? Chat. Ch. At. T. Chat. Ch. C-H. A. A. T. T. Let's sound it out. Ch. A. T. Chat. Very good job. The next word I want you to try on your own, okay? The word is chop. Like chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop. All right, let's pound it first. Ready? Chop. Ch. Op. Chop. Take a minute. Write the word chop on your board. If you need to pause the video for a second to write the word chop, that's fine. All right, check your answer. C-H-O-P spells chop. Let's sound it out. Ch, op, chop. Very good job if you got that correct. I want you to try one more, and this one is going to be crazy because the ch is going to be at the end of your word. And the word is such. Such. Let's pound it. Ready? Such. S. Ch. Such. All right? You try and write it. You know what s makes, you know what makes, and you know what ch makes. So pause the video and write that word on your whiteboard. If you spelled it S-U-C-H, you are correct. Let's sound it out. S. Ch. Such. Very good job. You are finished with part 1 of our phonics lesson for today. Go take a break, go play a game, do some jumping jacks, and join me again for part 2 of letter CH, or not letter, sound CH, with 2 letters, 1 sound. 2 letters, 1 sound. Ch, ch, chin, chin. Thanks, guys.